Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Wait a minute, see how I made it. Just watch it carefully, not skipping to last minute. I put a ball in the center, adding circle in with this ball as center. Just transfer ball to the border, using function move it from a top to the bottom. Use the for loop to move it from in up to forward to it. Manim that a shooter, yeah. Slide it to the side with the fast pace. Change the X and repeat it without a space. Tweak this case, but the ball doesn't fit in case. That's how you get the border. How do I put in place? And if the light is ever cut, I'm gonna cut it off. My Pythagoras got me proper every single time. Take weight of the round of cycle as say. Now you are tracking for a next placing what we on. And use this equation you get by hands on. HIT imaginary you were talking on. I did the tracing of a ball when I'm moving on. I found the angle, should have split it in half, bro. Is it the angle bisector by Euclidean? See, normality is a policy, I'm bringing on. Find the final tangency, that's what I want. You will understand them by the end I'm done. They ask me what the tangent is. How do I find it, G's? It's a line touching circle when nobody sees. Now what's the normal please? Spin tangent 90 degrees. Don't worry about what's missing the script. I ask it where the function is. How to sing it miss? It's a tangent line, get the alpha speak. This is a point Nick. How do I fix it? I hurried about it, fix it, get the error shit are spinning. Point to the circle for the tangent. Thrown 2 points little far from the point. Line connect but it's small and I'll scale it to a point when I need to zoom in. I see it, copy it, search it. Only thing in normal is the normal to the tangent. Yeah, now we're getting copies of them. The only thing that left to rotate them to right proportions. Ooh. Roll the ball and line it could be move along the part of Pudu. You will see a rookie. In school is to fight a fully. You don't need to worry really. DM me to help you sealing. I push a line and try to think it intersection. Now I see it slope, intercept and need it. Use this formula as my best. Modified at best, made the function to help rest like ooh. Yeah, added circumditions buddy. Try to make some rounded goodies, connect them each already. Yeah. In loop I use these lines to fall in. Now I'm sending with the ball and guess which final it's calling. Yeah. This the final animation, no script for this song, bro. I be singing with the flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put some letters in the scene, just cite them in the comment. Yeah, like on your mind, give me thumbs up. Don't be so blind when you comment, bro. Share it with your kind, I'm gonna blow up. Please give some time for my follow up. Sub is my life, I'm gonna grow up. Yo! To make this video, I had to learn music, animation, coding, especially the whole fucking Manim library. If you want to collaborate with me or do freelance, contact me this email or DM me in the comments. If you're an employer, as I'm a jobless CS grad, give me a job. My resume is in the description.